Number porting lets you switch to Verizon without changing your phone number. First, ensure your account with your current carrier is active and in good standing. Get your porting authorization code PAC from your current provider. It's valid for 30 days. Then choose a Verizon plan. Your device needs to be unlocked and compatible with Verizon's network. Check this on Verizon's website. Account ownership is crucial. Be ready to prove your identity. Start by initiating the port through Verizon's website, mobile app, or by visiting a store in person. You'll need to provide your porting authorization code and account details to begin the process. If using an eSIM-compatible device, just scan the QR code that Verizon provides. This enables instant activation without needing a physical SIM card. Once submitted, Verizon will verify your information with your current carrier. This typically takes 15 to 30 minutes, and you'll get SMS text updates throughout the process. After the port is complete, make sure to test your phone by placing calls, sending texts, and using data to confirm the transfer was successful. Keep in mind that activation fees might apply, typically $10 to $30. Most ports finish within hours, particularly with eSIM. If you encounter any problems, contact Verizon support. Remember, porting is usually free, but always protect your porting authorization code to prevent scams. For international number transfers, make sure you have all necessary notarized documents prepared in advance. These ports involve additional complexity and typically take more time to complete.